Should I scoop that out?
We're just going to get the bottom up so that it'll mix in.
So it's all one big ball?
Mm-hmm. We want it to turn into one big ball.
And then we're going to flatten it and then...
We're going to take it out. We're going to cover it up. And we're going to let it sit there for an hour and let it double in size, hopefully.
That's a little while.
That's a little while, but it's how long it takes for the yeast to activate. I like playing with Play-Doh pretty soon.
You like Play-Doh, right?
Yes, I do.
There. Now what you're going to do is you're going to take this and you're going to roll it like Play-Doh into a long snake. Turn it into a long snake, okay? Now roll those thick parts in your hands. Yeah, there you go. Thin those out. Perfect. Now switch it to the bottom and do that bottom part, that thick part. You got it. That's it. We're going to boil them in baking soda and water, which is going to cause the skin to get a nice little bagel-type crust. And then after that, we're going to stick them in the oven at 425 degrees for about 15 minutes. So let me show you. You're going to push that right there, okay? Come around and push that, pinch it together like a little circle there, okay? See what I did? Go ahead, you can do yours, and then you're going to just wrap it around.
That's color. You got it, Maddie. Almost.
Wrap it around like that, and when you get to the end, you're going to pinch these two together so they don't fall apart.
Good job, Maddie.
Nice. Okay, do your other one. That's your hot dog. Now pinch that to that one. Right there. Pinch it right like this. Pinch. So it doesn't come apart. There you go. That's perfect. Look at there you go.
I do this. Da, da, da. I got it.
Wait, you guys have bloopers on your videos?
We
No.
don't yet.
Oh, you gonna show me? Nice.
All right.
Good
So
job.
keep it on your tray. Let me teach you a trick. Pinch it right here. Watch. Here, turn this way. Now pinch right there. Pinch it really hard. Like that.
So now what do I do?
Pinch it really hard.
Is this
there you
done?
go. Yeah. Perfect. Now okay, try it, Madison. Try it back and forth, back and forth. Don't lift it up. Yep, back and forth. Really fast, faster, faster, faster. Timer, 30 seconds. Okay, you're gonna submerge both in there and hold them underwater until the timer goes off. Start. All the way under, all the way under. There you go, there you go. That's what you want. Get them all the way under there. Hold them down.
What's it doing?
Because it's reacting.
It feels like cold now.
Keep it under there, keep it under there.
The smoke feels like cold.
Cold. 15, 14.
It feels like
13,
water.
Push it under. Push it under.
11,
There you go.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Okay, lift them out. Okay, Andrew, your turn.
Other hot dog.
Let Andrew wipe it off. There you go. Make sure it all goes into the bowl. It's kind of a messy thing, but it's fun, right?
Yes, it's fun.
Mommy.
It sounds separately.
Good job. Want me to hold it still for you? There you go. See those chunks of white? Get those. You want to? Oh, careful! You don't want to fling it out. You want Andrew to take a turn?
Yeah.
Okay. Had a feeling.
You just have that bag.
Is that what you do?
Oh, I'm
Yeah,
just
Sticks looks like a stress
It's
ball.
looking pretty good. Let's see it. Right, looking pretty. Okay, get some more. Get another spoonful. Have at it.
How is it?
I'm good. Do me and Andrew saddies?
Yep.
Yeah? On a scale of 1 to 10, what do you rate them?
8.
What about you, Maddie?
On a scale of 1 to 10. 10 is the best, 1 is the worst.
1.
What?
I mean 10.